everybody. Today I'm working on a 2006 Nissan Altima 2.5. I'm replacing a radiator. So first thing I always do when I buy the radiator is match up and make sure that the connections are always correct. Like for example this upper hose here, just connections everywhere. You can see the back of it here. On this one you got to get the two bottom copper pins. They got some hoses attached to them, and then the lower radiator hose. Anyway, it starts off with removing these clamps. They both have 10mm keys. I just used this tool to take them off really quick. And then once you remove the upper radiator hose, the lower radiator hose, and the two hoses down there, I don't know if they really show up. It's kind of a dark video. You remove the radiator, remove the blower, fan, and move the fan to the new radiator, and just reverse the process. There's usually a connection here somewhere. There's a connection like this one here. In this case there's two of them. One, two. You remove those, take the one out. This particular radiator failed. When it failed, you see all that gunk here. They put some sealant in there. That wasn't healthy for it. A lot of gunk. So once that gets replaced, everything should be in good shape. I'm trying to take this off. Here we go. Looks pretty gunky in here, so we'll be able to take a look at this particular issue and see if hopefully the radiator and replacing the reservoir will fix the whole issue.